All right, here we are at Lab 6, and now we are observing distilled water. Make all our observations about the water. We waft the water. We look at the water. We feel the water. It is definitely not slippery and not tacky in any way. It's just what we would expect from water. And so based on our observations about the water, we will predict, is this an acid or is this a base? Okay, so now we're going to test with the red strip. Place the red strip in there, and it just looks wet. Let's test with the blue strip. Put that in there, and it just looks wet. So was the litmus paper the best way to find out if it's an acid or a base? Maybe not for this solution. So now we're going to put in our pH paper. Well, let's look. Does it look like a 5? Definitely not. A 6? Not so much, because it doesn't have a red or yellow tint. It's got more of a slate green tint. So look down here. Well, it's definitely not an 8. It's not green. So, wow, I'm going to say it's somewhere right around 7. But this is distilled water. Was that what we were expecting? So let's go ahead and we'll put our conductivity tester in there. And we're submerging the pH meter, the pH probe in there. And here's our data. And let's see. Wow. It's going up to 7.7 and down to 6.6, 6.96, up to 7, 710. It looks like it is really close to 7. Is that what we expected? From distilled water. Now let's think about everything we know about conductivity and electrolytes, and we place the conductivity tester in, and we turn it every other direction, and no matter what I do not see it lighting up. What does that tell us about if it's conducting electricity, its conductivity, or if it's an electrolyte? What does that tell us? And I will leave you to filling out the rest of the data table for Lab Station 6.